Kaylee's sister Olivia released this surveillance video of Kaylee and Maddie Mogen at the Corner Club on November 13th, 2022 at 1:18 a.m. There is no audio of what the women are saying to one another, but the duo smiles as the clock counts slowly forward, an ominous march towards actions that will occur less than 3 hours later. It is a crucial timestamp for those who know that the University of Idaho students would leave that club, stop at the grub truck, and then return to the infamous 1122 King Roadhouse in Idaho to later encounter a maniac with a K-bar knife. Yet in their final hours on Earth, Kaylee and Maddie laugh and smile easily. Maddie wears the pink shirt and black coat we've seen in the grub truck video. Kaylee wears an Idaho hoodie. The duo speak closely like great friends who truly enjoy one another's company. Although the faces around them are blurred, Kaylee and Maddie laugh with a guy whose hand Maddie grabs and shakes. She blows him a kiss. Maddie raises her drink to her face and pokes herself with the straw, a move we've all done at least once. Maddie must have said something really funny because Kaylee throws her head back and her mouth open in a big, boisterous, honest laugh and slaps her best friend on the shoulder or side in reply. Hopefully these interactions gave their loved ones some kind of comfort in watching their final hours replete with joy. One day ago, Kaylee's outspoken sister wrote, "What I wouldn't give to go back." While I understand theorizing isn't criminal, please know that they are real to us. The theories hurt, and it's abundantly clear they aren't real people to so many online. But they have always been real. They will always be real. They aren't entertainment. They aren't characters. They aren't pieces of a board game. Please, please remember and respect Kaylee, Maddie, Zana, and Ethan. The short TikTok video has amassed 70,000 views within hours on the account of the woman who has done so much to fight for justice in this case. She was the person who retrieved the grub truck Twitch streaming video and gave it to authorities. The self-described wife, mama, daughter writes in her bio that she is Kaylee, Maddie, Autumn, Aubrey, Steven's sister forever. The video is accompanied by a song named Very Sad by Enchan. The short emotional clip also has text that reads, "If only I could scream loudly enough to tell them not to go home. Grab everyone in that house and run away. What I wouldn't give for this to be different." She continued, "While this has become disconnected entertainment for so many, please remember they are real. They were happy, healthy. They wanted to live. Say their names, never his. Give them all the glory, please," she begged. Kaylee, Maddie, Zana, Ethan, forever. Recently, she famously began a TikTok naughty list of the content creators she takes issue with. She wrote about one creator. I could not find anything factual she had to offer. Then she blocked me, which to me implies she knows she's harming others by spreading misinformation, but is fine doing so in the name of content. Find a link to her TikTok page below. Romans 8, verse 31. What then shall we say in response to these things? If God is for us, who can be against us?